Hi everyone, welcome back. Today's video, I'll show you how to use webhooks in Zapier. Webhooks are one of the most powerful features in Zapier because they let you send or receive data between apps that don't have a direct integration. Let's get started first. Open your browser and log into zapier.com. From your dashboard, click on Create Zap. Now, for the trigger or action, search for Webhooks by Zapier. You'll see two main options. Catch hook, which lets Zapier receive data from another app, put, or GET, which lets Zapier send data out to another applet. Try the catch hook example first. Select catch hook and click Continue. Zapier will give you a unique webhook URL. Copy this URL now. Go to the app or service you want to connect and paste this webhook URL in its webhook settings. For example, if you're using a form builder, you'd paste the URL so whenever someone submits a form, the data gets sent to Zapier. Once you've set that up, come back to Zapier and click Test Trigger. Zapier will wait for sample data. Submit a test from your other app and Zapier should catch it. We'll now see the fields appear inside Zapier.next. You can add an action. For example, you could send the webhook data to Google Sheets to log entries automatically or post it into Slack. On the other hand, if you want Zapier to send data out using a webhook, choose Post, Put, or Get. Then, type in the URL of the service you want to send data to. Choose the method Post, Get, etc., and fill in the data fields. After testing, click Publish Zap, and that's it. You've now set up a webhook in Zapier. With this, you can connect almost any app to Zapier, even ones that don't have an official integration. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more automation tutorials.